Welcome to Sonitech Computer and Application Settings. Today, I will teach you how to import bookmarks that you've saved somewhere within your computer. So, we are using Google Chrome browser. If you come to the upper right corner of the browser, you can see the three dots. You click on that. You come down to Bookmark and Lists. You move to Bookmark Manager. You come to upper right, three dots, Import Bookmarks. When you click on Import Bookmarks, it's going to open an Explorer. You have to look where you have your bookmark saved. In this case, it has located my bookmarks exactly where I saved it. You click on the bookmarks. Bookmarks is being saved in HTML file. You click on it and click Open. I'm not going to do that because if I do it, it's going to import the same bookmarks I already have here. Okay, I don't want to have another copy of these bookmarks here, but in a case if you install a new browser or a new system, you don't have any bookmarks there and you want to import the bookmarks that you have saved from that browser, all you have to do is come to where you save the bookmarks and click on it, open. Now, all the bookmarks are going to go to their respective categories. Bookmarks bar has to come here. Okay, automatically when you click open, it's going to import it and place them at their different locations. Okay, so I'm not going to import this one, but this is how you're going to import the bookmarks that you've set from your browser. In one of the videos I made, I showed you how to export bookmarks. If you haven't watched those videos, go and watch them and see how to export bookmarks, and before you watch how to import bookmarks. So when you import their bookmarks, they're going to go to their respective bookmark folders. Okay, this one is a toolbar bookmark. So if I had imported this one there, it's gonna have a double of this somewhere. You're gonna have it in a folder, a separate folder that containing all these bookmarks. But if I didn't have this one here, I will click import, and now it's gonna press them at their locations here. Okay, so this is how you import bookmarks in any new browser that you installed. You want to import bookmarks, or you install a new system, you lost all your browsers and the bookmarks have been set somewhere. When you install the browsers and you have to import the bookmarks, okay? The system to import bookmarks from Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, and the other browsers are the same. Okay, including Safari are the same. So this is how you import the bookmarks that you saved within your system. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, so I will be bringing you more of system management. Thank you.